Jungle runways, often carved out of dense vegetation, present unique challenges for pilots with short, unpaved surfaces and limited visibility, requiring specialized skills for safe takeoffs and landings in remote areas. Massive bird strike and rejected takeoff on this Aeromexico Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Rejected takeoffs due to bird strikes are critical safety measures, preventing potential damage to aircraft engines and ensuring passenger safety, highlighting the importance of wildlife management around airports. Wonderful steep takeoff of an American Airlines Boeing 757 at JFK Airport in New York. Steep takeoffs can occur under conditions like low weight, minimal fuel, and fewer passengers, allowing for a higher climb rate due to reduced load, demonstrating an aircraft's agile capabilities and performance efficiency. Go around of a United Boeing 757 in San Francisco. The United Airlines Boeing 757 had to go around because it exceeded minimum separation while landing parallel to a Cathay Pacific Boeing 747 at San Francisco International Airport. Wonderful Buffalo Airways DC-4 engine startup in Alaska. Buffalo Airways DC-4, a vintage propeller-driven aircraft, showcases the enduring legacy of classic aviation in Canada's north, operating in challenging conditions and proving its reliability and versatility over decades. If you ever wondered how airplanes are getting fueled, this is how. The fueling of airplanes is a meticulously regulated process, ensuring safety and precision in delivering the exact amount of fuel needed for the journey, based on distance, weight, and weather conditions.